All right, so first step is to start setting up the lighting. And for that, we're gonna go back to our mood painting. So if we take a look at this, let me delete this stuff. We're gonna start analyzing the lighting in this. So we're gonna base it off of this. We're not gonna be 100% tied to this, but we can pull out a lot of things from here. So one, on a diffused day, we have mostly lit from the sky. So we're gonna have a light kind of coming down from the top and lighting, and that's how we get this kind of lit surface right here. We're able to see this edge because the light is coming from the top, almost a very diffused light, and hitting that top surfaces, cutting it out from behind it. Same thing, we see the same thing happening here with the top facing surfaces getting lit there and cutting it out and showing form. So we have light on the top and dark on the side, and that's one of the cues for this lighting. The other thing we see is very soft diffuse shadows. So if we look at this kind of light that's casting from the top again, you can see the directionality of it. It's very soft. It's not going to be harsh cut shadows like a sunny day. They're all going to be very, very soft light. And that's the quality of light that we're looking for. And that's the very important part and the realistic element of your painting is what is the quality of that light. So once we have that kind of figured out, we know it's a soft diffused light, mostly come from the top to show form. That's the best way to show form on anything, on a primitive, on a sphere, on a cube. It's always a nice top-down lighting. But we want to add a different element to it too, maybe having a little bit of a directional. If we're doing early morning light, maybe we can get a little bit of a directionality to it so that we get it lit from an angle and just creating a very soft kind of early morning type of lighting situation. So let's go take a look at how we can do that.